I remember what those promontories of rock are called. They're called stacks. Okay, one last shot of Ruby Beach. About halfway up the hillside back to the parking lot.
And it's August what?
Lots of water, lots of rock stacks, lots of trees. A little bit of wildlife. Yep, there's some now.
Wildlife. Let's see, got it.
Alright, it's recording.
We are in the Hoh rainforest. Look how dry it is.
Why don't you stop recording? Push the red button again.
Why?
That's stop.
I know why it's a stop. That's all right. I'm going across the front of Mark's head.
All right, well, don't record now. You're not in the rainforest anymore.
I'm not. Look at this narrow little road we're on. That river is missing. That line in the middle of the tree?
A tree.
What is this?
It's a narrow little road. Limited passing lane.
Come on, Dad, you're going over the speed limit. I'm just kidding.
Besides these trees.
Yeah, it's a good road.
All right, you want to get some pictures now.
Now's the time to turn it on, Mom.
I have it on, thank you.
Rainforest.
Yes.
Big trees. 400 years old.
Yeah, this road is unbelievable.
We're in the Olympic National
Alright,
Forest.
this is Mark recording again. Look at this road.
Where?
Where
Wow.
are we?
We are in the woods. Oh, rainforest.
This is a rainforest.
This is not the Hoh
Yes,
rainforest.
it is.
No, it isn't. I
This
don't.
is-
No, is it?
This is not the interstate. Okay, here's a bridge. Think that's the bridge you're talking about?
I don't think so. This is the main drive to the rainforest.
Yeah, this is the main road. We are not on a backcountry road.
This is the way to our hotel.
We think.
We think, yeah. We're not quite sure though.
We think so.
They told us to come this way. He said with a fiendish laugh. Ferns and moss.
No rain.
No rain. Lots of dappled sunshine. Probably getting a dirty car.
You know, it's probably on. Think of it. We are adventurous souls, huh? Imagine if it were raining, how
Hope we don't meet too many people. You can see why the lady said it would take an hour to get there this way. Inside the rainforest. Behind us is a creek.
Actually, it's a double road, but